For a cute holiday bevy that's giving dirty soda.
We got you, zero proof queen.
So pick a glass that's ready to be iconic.
Make it IG worthy.
Add crushed ice if you're feeling bougie.
Chef's kiss.
Start with Organic Valley Eggnog.
Because NGL, we're going full tilt celebration.
Use ginger ale to get that high key fizz.
You mean Riz. Then hit it with organic vanilla syrup.
2 shots if you're extra. Mix it up, but don't go wild.
We're keeping it very holiday, very eggnog, very Organic Valley.
Finish with a dash of sheesh.
Optional, but like very aesthetic.
Sip and flex, bestie.
It's giving Mormon mom talk. That was so hard. We're both so serious. Like, don't smile at Linda.
This is also really good.
It is good.
Isn't it nice?
It's very good.